Hi friends, this video is all about Shraddha's online classes. She has to demonstrate how to make tea. And here we have kept the setup of all the things for like making tea. 1 cup of water, milk, sugar and tea powder and spices like cardamom, um, black peppercorn and cloves, that is lavang, and kali mirch, elaichi, and she has already made grounded it in this mortar and pestle, and also some ginger, a piece of ginger to grate in the tea, and she made it very well, the tea, and demonstrated, and everything was done. I holded her iPad while the
Here I have
process.
my outline. I'll just send it to you right away. Yeah.
Here the class is going on back in the room, and some other student is showing the demonstrations of something else. So it was the online class of Shraddha in this way. Thank you. Bye.